Well, then you have your grill in right now. What do they look like without? You have to mold a grill to your actual teeth like shape. So that is an example of what your teeth look like, and your teeth are probably fucking beautiful.
It's pretty close. No, but you know, like the veneers, like have like the perfect teeth. I
I
crave.
I guess so. Some people get the horse teeth or the realtor teeth,
Oh my god! Like, oh no, never mind.
and they get it to like way too many shades light, and then it looks very strange. I
So you
love
doing the
you.
iHeartRadio thing, right?
Huh?
You didn't like the iHeartRadio shows, right?
The iHeartRadio shows? Yes, I did those.
No, like the Christmas, the Jingle Bells,
Oh,
the
I'm
Jingle
doing those.
Balls.
Wait, yeah, no, I'm doing those. Those are coming up in the
All
near
right,
future.
all right. I have an idea. I have an idea.
What's
I
your
don't know.
idea?
I want to save it for another time. Like I won't say it right here.
Okay, then text me.
Okay. Okay,
Um,
but
um,
I hope you
um,
have a good shit though. I want you to have a good shit, and I don't want to hold you
yeah,
up.
yeah, I have diorama. I love you.
I love you
Good
too,
night.
Doja Cat. You're my idol, and hope you have a great day.
Good night, little LilNasX.
Good night, my beauty, my queen.
LilNasX. LilNasX. I told them that I have diorama. My fucking laptop is gonna die in like 2 seconds. This is no good. Famous people talking to each other on Instagram Live. Talking about the things that they do on a daily basis. And the things that will happen in the future and past. They like to talk about things that happen to them. Okay, anyway, I'm done. You guys, I love you so much. I'm gonna go take care of my biz and attempt to sleep. Um, yeah. Good night. Okay, good night. Okay, good night. Okay, good night. All right, all right, all right. Let me sleep. Okay. Okay, all right. All right. Let me sleep. Okay, I would like to go now. Good night. Hello. Can you get off of me? Get. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, good night. Sleeping. Get it. I'm in bed. And I'm sleeping. Can you be quiet? I'm sleeping. Turning off Instagram Live and going